When we were looking at vendors to help us build this facility, realizing that this is the only mass ply panel facility in the world, this is the only one that does what it actually does, we were obviously really afraid that we were going to trip over some small things that could turn into very big issues. When we were discussing the facility and our different options with Stiles, they were really able to look at it from our perspective, but they also had significant experience working with CLT manufacturers. So having the leverage of being able to work with somebody like MINDA or somebody like WEINMANN on the CNC side to provide that range of experience so that we didn't have to reinvent the wheel on the MPP layup or the MPP gluing or the MPP pressing was a big deal. For mass timber products, I think Stiles has a wealth of experience and the right partnerships in place to really put together successful projects for mass timber.